Hello gig workers, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys making lots of money. And if you're not a gig workers, join the team. So today I'll be doing something different. I'm not going to be working with Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, or DoorDash. I would like to share you guys an app that I've been using for a few years called Flashfood. So head over to your app store or Play Store and download Flashfood. And once you create an account, you could buy grocery from your local store in your area at a discount of 50% off. So why is it 50% off? Because most of these product or produce are close to expiry date. For example, the expiry date is October 5th. You could log into the Flashfood app and buy it at 50% off on October 3rd. So you have a window of 2 or 3 days to use up your product, and I advise you use it up on the same day that you bought it or the following day. Flashfood is a Canadian company and they're expanding all across Canada in different provinces, and they also start in the US. So once you download this app and they're available in your state or province, you will get a notification, and then you could log in and go shop for grocery or any product that you want at 50% off. Woohoo! How does Flashfood help the environment? In grocery stores, some of the food that is reaching the best before date, usually by a week to a few days, is thrown out, while some may be donated. The food in the landfill gets buried by other garbage. Without oxygen, it starts to release methane gas and lead to major environment damage. 1/3 of all food produce each year is wasted. That's 1.3 billion tons of food every year that is not being eaten and instead end up into the landfills. Yikes! Flashfood is empowering its shoppers to be the change by buying food through Flashfood. You are a leader in this movement. Together we reduce food waste and its negative impact on the environment. We have to save the environment. Don't waste those food. Go buy it at discount. Okay? So let's open the Flashfood apps and I'm going to show you guys how does it work. So all these little shop carts, that's the stores. The one that highlight with green, that's the closest to me here. I click on that. And bring up all the produce and products that's 50% off. This mixed box of produce number 22 is for $5. You have onions and apples, and there's lots of other stuff there. Okay, this is a good deal. This tilapia, regular price $23.80. You could buy it for $11.90. So if you feel like having tilapia today, head over to Superstore. No, actually, log into your apps and you buy it, add it to your cart, and once you pay for it, you go to the store and you could receive it. If you want to look at other stores in your city, I mean, you could check the other stores then, because they're all different. They don't have the same product up for sale or produced. This one have extra lean ground chicken, cinnamon buns if you like that. That's look yummy. It's another box of mixed produce. This one have pepper, garlic, plum, potatoes. That's a nice one, a mixture of different produce. So what I will do, just browse through all those stores and see what you really need. If you want to make a meal for today or tomorrow, you pick it up and then you could go make your meal for really cheap instead of full price on the same day you bought it or 2 or 3 days after. So this is gonna be a really short video. You guys stay tuned to the end because I have a little bonus clips for you guys. If you're Dashers or Uber Eats driver or Skip driver. And the reason why I'm making this video with Flashfood, we help you save money. And the channel is about making money and saving money too, right? Due to coronavirus, there's lots of people get laid off, it's not working. And if you could save money on grocery, that would help a lot. So I feel like having tilapia for dinner. I'm just gonna buy this tilapia fillet. Regular price $6.13, and it's $3.07. So I'll add to cart. And it says view pickups. And give instruction how to pick it up. You go to the store and confirm your order with the guest service, and that's about it. So let's head over there and pick up my tilapia. Having tilapia sandwich for dinner. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button down below. Every subscriber gives me a boost to make more videos.